my channel, it's Naya C. Today's video is just gonna be real quick. It's gonna just be some tips showing you how to save money, budgeting your money, and then just helpful ways to increase your credit score. FYI, I am not a personal expert on increasing your credit score, but I do know tips and ways just to help, and you will appreciate that in the future, okay, girl? So if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So we're just gonna get right into it on how I do things, and this is for my personal use. I'm just bringing it to the table. So if you like, you can do the same thing, okay? If you're looking for a way to budget, save, and increase your credit score. So class is in session, okay? I better take out a notebook. So let me start. So I had a marker here. All right, y'all. So let's start it with how much you get paid. Basically saying how much you get paid a check. If you get paid every 2 weeks, every week, however it works out for you, we're just gonna break it down with an example. So let's say you get $1,000 a check. So $1,000 a paycheck, right? You get paid $1,000 a check. What bills do you have that you need to put aside for the next month? So let's count this as basically this is the check for the last of the month. This is your last check for the month. So now we're looking towards the next month. What expenses, what bills you have to pay for the next month. So the first of the month comes. I'm going to use my personal bills and let's add it up here so that way it can kind of make sense for everybody. Because everybody has different bills, but hopefully some of my bills you can relate to. So first of the month, cable bill, right? So let's put cable. How much cable costs? Cable costs $200. So $200 for your cable bill, and when is that due? That's due on the first of the month. So I'll put the date right here, October 1st. All right. So cable bill, oh my God, it looks mad sloppy. Cable bill, $200 due October 1st. Got it. All right. That's one expense. That's one bill, expense, whatever. The next thing I have to pay for, phone bill. All right. Let's put phone. So my phone bill, $110, and that's due on the 3rd. All right, that's our second bill out of our $1,000 check. Mind you, we keeping all this separate. All right, just keep watching. All right, the next bill after that is credit card bill. All right, so Capital One. I'll put Capital, or I could put credit card, whatever. Capital One. I'll just call it Capital for now. How much do I pay? Depending on how much ever you pay, you can either pay the limit, which I think for Capital One is probably like $25, I think. I don't even remember, but Capital One, $25. You could either pay the limit or you can pay over. I usually pay over depending on how much I even spent on it. But if I do spend a certain amount, I just pay like way over. I pay like $150. I always pay the $150, so I'm just gonna put $150 for Capital, and that's due on the 3rd too. So these are two bills I have to do in the 3rd. Capital One and phone bill, both due on the 3rd of the month. $110 and $150 for my bills, okay? And that includes the cable that I just paid for at the beginning of the month. I didn't pay for it yet. I'm just separating everything so I know how much money I might have for pocket money, how much money I might have for this and for that. After these bills, you should have, everybody usually gets paid twice a month or 3 times a month or every week. So for me, I get paid twice a month most of the time. And this section would just be for the first 2 weeks until I get paid again. Then sometimes it depends on how much I get paid. If I separate it, I don't even know if that makes sense, but whatever. So this is my expenses so far. After my Capital One bill, it's my loan, my school loans. So I do not have a car right now, so I do not have to put car in this. So right now, just my school loans, I pay $155. All right, and that's due on like the 15th or something. So I'll put October 15th. So far, these are all my bills that I have to make sure I take care of. And make sure you take care of your Capital One and all of these. Make sure you just take care of all your bills because that can help you with your credit score. All right, so now let's subtract. Let's add up all of this and subtract it from our check. Right. So we end up left from our $1,000 check, we end up with $615 in bills. I'm sorry, not in bills. We end up with this left. So this is what's left from our check. So right now our check is standing at $615. Our check, this looks mad sloppy, but whatever. Anyways, so we got $1,615 left from our check, and now we gotta put it into food, shopping, whatever. Now you can have fun with it because you took care of your bills, right? So If you drive, you should put in your car insurance if you pay car insurance. What else? I take a train, so I put in my train money. So let's put train here. For my train, I'll say $40. So that's $40 out of my $6.15 from my check that's left. All right, $40 for my train. What else? I take out food money too, because I want to have put aside food money for either, my bad, my camera fell. I either go to the supermarket and just spend like $100, $80, and that will last me for 2 weeks, or I just put money aside, and when I go to work, I just have my money for food. So you can put food money, how much ever you want to decide for food money. Train money is $40. Food money, let's say for me personally, since I always go out for food shopping, I'm going to say $80, because for the most part, I always spend $80 at the supermarket. $80 food money, $40 train money. We took care of food, we took care of your transportation for you to keep getting paid so you could keep going to work. All right. Now, let's see. This is $120. All right. So $120 out of the $6.15 that you had left from your check, right? Now let's see how much we have left to work with. Now you down to your train, your transportation, how you get to work, how you get to where you gotta go, and then your food money because you gotta eat. That was $120. So that we took out of our $6.15, we was left with $4.95. So now you have $4.95 on your check. I am writing so sloppy. Oh my God. But it don't even matter. I don't even care. So $4.95 left on your check. Now, I guess you can start putting pocket money aside. You can put little things like what you want to do aside. So this is where the envelope saving thing kind of come in from. I don't know. A lot of people kind of do it, but then again, not everybody knows about it. People save their money in all kind of places, like envelopes, little containers, bins, whatever, like shoe boxes, bags, water bottles, anything. So I save my money in envelopes. Like I have a Chase account, so I use Chase envelopes because they're free. Any bank account you got, you could just go to the bank and then just get free envelopes. So we have $4.95 left, right? So now let's put into play stuff, like what we want to do. So me, cruise. I'm gonna put a cruise down because I'm going on a cruise. So I put cruise. Oh my God, it's so slappy. Oh my God. All right. So cruise money, depending on how much you have left, you have $4.95. You should know in your head, you get paid again, let's say 2 weeks from now or a week from now. I gotta have pocket money. So I got cruise money, pocket money just for now. So I gotta put cruise money aside, gotta put pocket money aside, gotta put just little things you want to do. Say you want to get your hair done, put down hair money aside, like whatever you want to do. And let's just start from here. So you have $4.95. How much you want to put towards your cruise right now? If you're going to do this, you should know, like, either you're planning early for your cruise, or you should know how much you want to put to add up to your cruise, right? So let's say for my cruise, I want to put $50 towards my cruise right now. So that's $50 out of my check. Pocket money. How much pocket money is gonna last me until the next time I get paid again? You have to be realistic, because you don't want to keep dipping and dabbing into your savings once you put aside for your savings, right? So let's be honest with pocket money. Pocket money, I'm gonna say 120, because sometimes I just end up, you just end up doing things, like you end up going out to eat, you end up seeing shoes that you want to buy, or like something random like that. So pocket money, I'm gonna say $120. That's for me, because I like to go out to eat. I like to, like, that's just for an example. This is for depending on how much you get paid, though. Because you still got to think, like, I still got to make sure I have money to put aside, for the next time I get paid. But this is why you already took care of your bills. This is why you already put aside money for your train. This is why you put aside money for food. And you got your bills paid for. So now you can have money to play with. So the $120, you can do whatever you want with. Hair money. How much you want to put towards your next hairstyle? Let's see. For my next hairstyle, let's put another $50. All right. So now let's work with what we got now, because we got our cruise money. This is for the envelopes now, right? So I'm gonna go to the Chase. I'm go to bank. Go to the bank. Go to Chase, whatever. I take out. Let's see. This is $220. So $220. So I'm gonna take out $220 in cash. $120 is going to my pocket. Cruise is going, $50 is going to the cruise, and $50 is going to my hair, right? So now, being that this is $220 and we have $4.95 left from our check, we have to see what's now left on our check, right? minus our $4.95, but we took out the cruise money, the pocket money, the hair money. That's left with $2.75 on our check, right? Now, if you have a savings account, I feel like everybody should have a savings account. Let's put here savings, because now you got your pocket money out the way, you got your hair money, so you can still take care of yourself, you can still get your hair done, you can still buy your makeup, go to Sephora, where you can still spend money, but you're budgeting yourself so that you can have fun and you can save money and make sure your bills is paid, okay? So let's see. So your savings now is gonna be, you can put the whole $2.75 in your savings if you want. Remember, you took out your pocket money, so you don't have to keep dipping into your savings. So if you want, you can you can put the whole $2.75 into your savings, or you can just put $200, and the $200 is towards your savings, and then the $75 is just left now from your check. And if you have direct deposit, this is just what's left on your debit card now. This is just what's left on your debit card. $75 from your check, but you took care of everything. You still have pocket money. You still can take care of yourself, and you got your bills paid, okay? So that is that. Let's go on to the envelope method. So I have my envelopes personally, like, because these are like all my envelopes already. Actually, not all of these, but so I have my cruise right here. This is my cruise envelope. So the $50 we took out for cruise will go into the cruise envelope, all right? Then 444, I need to wait for 444 because 444 is coming, all right? But anyways, this is my business, new business that's coming out in April 2020. But this is the envelope for that. So that's what I put aside. And then this is my pocket money. So what did we take out for pocket money? We took $120 out for pocket money. So $120 is going in here for the week. And this is, what's in here? Oh, okay. And this is supposed to last me until I get paid again. So you have to make sure you still know your budget until you get paid again. You have to make that $120 last you, okay? If you did like this video, and just some quick tips on helping you just increase your credit score. So when I first got my credit card, it was Capital One, and I think I got it when I was like 18 or something. I got my first credit card. It was Capital One, and I think they gave me a limit of $200. So that was fine to me, because honestly, I wasn't even buying anything like that. I was just in college or whatever. I wasn't really, you know, using my credit card as much. So I got $200. Mind you, you should set a limit, set your automatic limit. So if it's $25 that they asking for your minimum, set it automatically to where you can always pay that. Just in case if you happen to forget, you make sure you got the minimum covered already. But if you want, always pay more because it looks better on you. Don't try to use most of the limit that they give you. Use only at least 30%. Because if you use more than that, that quickly decreases your credit score. And then to pay, it's not, it will work out. I don't know how to put this. If you're gonna spend over the 30%, I would say at least have more than half of the money to pay it back right away. Like, have that money ready or halfway ready already, so that when you spend more than that 30%, you can like quickly pay it, and then it won't affect your credit score so much. Like, I don't even know if that's making sense, but yeah. What else can I think of? Take care of your finances, because it's very important and it will help you in the long run, and that's what's necessary, okay? You have to be what's the word, responsible. You have to be responsible with your payments and how you take care of your savings, and just making sure you always have something in your back pocket. All right, and then remember I said that was taking care of everything the month before. So let's say we in a September right now. I just took care of all of the October bills. So now when October come, when I get that second check in October, bills are taken care of already. Not all, but yeah, I'm just trying to make you still enjoy your life and pay your bills. That's it. That's it. All right, that's it. But thanks for watching this video, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.